It's van life. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live long life. It's van life.
Okay, here we are at destination number 2. It's just a stop-off point. It's called
Girasoles
Farm. And even though here it says no children's allowed, they're letting Miriam in. Yay!
Yeah.
So let's go through the plant tunnel.
Woo! Let's go!
Bye!
Wow. Welcome to the wonderful world of greens and every other color. Wow, look at that.
Over here, we get the paper.
No, they moved it up front there. Wow, look at all those starch gingers.
That's where the vegetables are.
Wow, look at this place.
How beautiful. Oh, wow.
Oh, so
She wants a pet rabbit. That's what she's asking.
yeah.
Black and white one.
And look at that one. There one's a black one with white socks. Oh.
Maybe they're full.
Yeah.
Look, that's a black one with white feet.
I already finished her.
Yeah, look at that. So much food.
Yeah.
Girasoles Farm, Candelaria is strategically located on the Candelaria Bypass Road, making it a convenient pit stop for travelers on their way to the beaches of San Juan, Batangas and Candelaria Quezon, or southeast to the Bicol region. Stretch your weary legs while taking in the vibrant colors of this peaceful oasis, an abundant feast for all the senses. Best time to visit is early morning till mid-morning for breakfast or mid-afternoon, as the sun can get too hot during the midday.
$150? You think so? I think there might be more. Miriam loves this place. Anybody that's in Candelaria, you have to stop by here, especially if you have children.
Woo! Look at that. Whoa!
They get to feed the fish, they get to feed the rabbits. The food is good.
Fresh produce.
Fresh produce. There's a cooperative that supports local women's nonprofit.
It's like a one-stop shop for fresh vegetables, flowers, ornamental plants. You can get Quezon delicacies too.
The farm supports women's cooperatives by providing a market to their products. At a time like this, it feels good to know your visit helps provide jobs that support families.
They love their food.
Only 3 years ago, this 1-hectare lot was a wasteland where no crop ever thrived. But look at it now. Girasoles Farm has since put the town of Candelaria on the tourist map. If you're traveling with kids, they will absolutely enjoy this beautiful, well-equipped playground. At this time of the year, the sunflower season has already ended. What you see here are a variety of sunflowers that bloom all year round. Their restaurant provides a wide range of food options. We had a hearty breakfast of liempo silog, tosilog, a huge garden salad, yema cake, and fresh buko juice. Be sure to take home pasalubongs of beautiful plants, fresh vegetables, quality seeds, and products of Quezon Province and the town of Candelaria. And now, we're off to the next leg of our Support Local travel series, a beautiful beach in Sariaya, Quezon.